to extract text from Smart Select pin content in Samsung Galaxy S23 Ultra with Android 14. While you are viewing a content you like to capture, remove your S Pen to open up the Air Command menu. And then tap Smart Select. Tap the pin to screen icon. If needed, you can adjust the selected area with your S Pen by dragging the edge of the selected area. And then tap pin or insert to pin the selected area. As a note, after updating your phone to Android 14, now you are provided with the ability to extract text from pin content you made with Smart Select. To do so, tap the pin content and then tap the extract text icon. Next, select the highlighted text you need. And then select the desired option you like to use. As the example, if you like to copy the selected text to your clipboard, tap copy. Okay, thank you for watching. Have a nice day.